television shows, let's say for example, halimbawa, you're from the USA. Di ba remember, let's say for example, mayroon mga comments saying, shout out po, Pinoy Big Brother, watching in Dubai. Yan, you're a foreigner, but you love watching Filipino shows. So therefore, that is another one. That is a concept. Or let's say for example, you're from China, and then you're watching your, Tanggol, or Roha, or What Lies Beneath. Diba? So therefore, saying, shout out, I'm watching in China. Diba? That is a foreign viewer. Not like in the Philippines, where all Filipinos watching those shows. But whether naman, kahit you're in other countries, you can still watch that. Depending if you know the language. Diba? Or let's say, for example, my great-grandfather, he's an Italian. And his favorite show is Tanggol because his idol talaga si Coco Martin. Pwede. Diba? Watching from Italy. Diba? So the ratings does not only come from Filipino viewers. It also comes from the viewers worldwide. Kaya nga worldwide to. So ano pa yung meron? So therefore, if more people from foreign countries were to enjoy Filipino broadcasting television shows, anong sabi ko dito? The ratings of the number of people will grow as the posterity goes on from all the subsequent generations. Yes, that is true. At pwede naman, di ba remember sabi ko sa'yo, na yung 2026, di ba remember mas marami talaga mga tao ay magnood na. Dahil, di ba remember, sa Power Media. Yes, correct. Lots of people now will be watching more TV, especially in I1 stream platforms. Dahil nga, na yun ay 2026, mas malawak na talaga. At kahit na talaga yung mga tao ay hindi interesado sa TV na yon. At pwede naman yung mga bata na yon, noon, yung mga maging 20 or 21 years old na yon, pwede na sila magnood ng television at nagtanggol. So yun. Yes, that's correct. Pwede naman. Like for example, di ba remember if I were to have a nephew, di ba? Baka mali mo, we go to the year 2058, di ba? And then my nephew already turns 20 or 21, di ba? Or my son, di ba? So therefore, what will happen? That will count as more viewers. Kaya nga, that's why nga, it's true. The ratings of how many viewers are watching will grow. And it will still continue to grow and grow and grow and grow hanggang sa walang katapusan. Kagaya ng ito. Okay guys, so now we're already done. So thank you so much for watching. And that's it for today's show. So now, all we can do now is to celebrate that because we've done a job well done. Kahit ito pa, oh. Di ba remember, ito yun. Di ba remember, normally dapat this one.